to ask you, okay, how do you make this? Your hair colors are always so unique and different. Like, I try to look for them in the market, like I try to recreate it, but Rich, your own is always very unique. So just me, what's your secret?
My dear, there's no secret though.
Okay.
You should know me by now. I love being creative. I love playing around with colors to achieve unique color. Like this you're seeing here. I had to mix color 24, color 39, and 350 to achieve this custom color you're seeing here. But since you said you want to learn more about these colors, I'll teach you how to blend colors using X-Pression Ultra Braid. Is that okay?
Alright.
Guys, I'm blending 3 different colors. I'm doing a full blending to achieve a custom color. So watch me while I blend them all together. I'm brushing the roughness out to give it a smooth look. You see how the color came out looking so beautiful. This is another color, 3 different colors as well. I'm going to blend them together to give me another custom color. And keep watching and see how I do the magic. So all done. So this is another one. Like I said, this is the 3rd one. This is 2 different colors. Came out looking so beautiful and dope. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and give the video a thumbs up. So let's roll into the making of the hair. So first and foremost, I section the hair, the back part of the hair, into 3 different parts, and I will box braid the hair, starting with small strands, then proceed with bigger strands. So I'll box braid the hair all the way to 16 inches, then I'll leave a small strand because I'm going to do a coil at the tip. So just keep watching while I do the next hair using another color to achieve the same style. Yes, all the way to 16 inches, like I told you that I'm coiling the tip. So this is how it looks like. I'll proceed to the next hair and with another color. So at the back, I'm using 3 different colors just to show you what I blended with those color I showed you from the beginning, right? So I'm doing another full blending to finish the hair. Now I'm coiling the tip. Remember, I told you I'm doing coils at the tip, and that is what I'm doing right now. So I'm carefully coiling the hair and soaking the hair in water to give me that coil. I'm loosening it gently so the coil can stay, because the hair is not fully dried. Separating it one after each, and voila, this is it. This is what we achieved. It came out looking beautiful, nice, and lovely. So I'm making her edges. These days all young girls outside, they love edges. And right now I'm trimming to make the hair look neat and beautiful. So I'm applying Got2b hairspray to make the hair last long and keep the hair intact. So this is her and the beautiful color. The hair came out looking sleek and beautiful. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up. I'll be happy if you share this video with your family and friends. Drop your comments on the comment section below. See you guys in my next video. Bye.